Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi everyone. Today we're practicing at the birthday party sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I go to the party.
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 I bring a nice gift.
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 I see my best friend.
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 I say happy birthday.
I say happy birthday.
I say happy birthday.
I say happy birthday.
I give a big hug.
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 The balloons are colorful.
The balloons are colorful.
The balloons are colorful.
The balloons are colorful.
I see a big cake.
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 The candles are lit.
The candles are lit.
The candles are lit.
The candles are lit.
We sing a loud song.
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 I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
I make a wish.
I make a wish.
I make a wish.
I make a wish.
I blow the candles.
I blow the candles.
I blow the candles.
I blow the candles.
We eat the cake.
We eat the cake.
We eat the cake.
We eat the cake.
The cake is yummy.
The cake is yummy.
The cake is yummy.
The cake is yummy.
I win a small prize.
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 I open my gift.
I open my gift.
I open my gift.
I open my gift.
I get a new toy.
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 I wear a party hat.
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 I play with friends.
I play with friends.
I play with friends.
I play with friends.
We laugh together.
We laugh together.
We laugh together.
We laugh together.
My friend is happy.
My friend is happy.
My friend is happy.
My friend is happy.
I take a photo.
I take a photo.
I take a photo.
I take a photo.
I say goodbye now.
I say goodbye now.
I say goodbye now.
I say goodbye now.
Wonderful. You just practiced 25 at the birthday party sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.